everyone, it's Winsome back again with an origami video, and today I'm doing a origami inspired video. So I was just scrolling through YouTube watching random videos and I came across this surgical mask origami video created by a actual doctor, which I cannot pronounce the name, but I'll put it up on the screen right now. And it was a very interesting video where they used paper towels to make this surgical mask, and this inspired me to make it out of paper, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Since we are going to make this life-size the mask, we're actually going to need a large piece of paper. So we're not going to be using origami paper today. I found this coloured A3 piece of paper that I usually use as origami backdrops, but since I haven't used this colour in a while and plus there's a crease on it, I thought this would be perfect to put it to actual good use. So jumping straight into it, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to bring up one corner and fold it up to the top side here. So from the short side to the long side. Cool, so then once we've done that, we want to do the same to the other corner. So grabbing this, we're going to fold up, and then the short side is going to be aligned to the top. Cool, so then the next step, what we're going to do is same as before, we're going to fold each side to the top here and then unfold again. So starting with one side, just gonna fold it up. Cool, so once we've done that, we can unfold it, and then what we're going to do is the top here, we're going to bring this top side all the way to the point in the middle here. I'll try and fold it evenly. Cool. So once we've done that, we want to unfold it again, and we're going to fold this model in half. Cool. So then after that, once we folded it in half, so taking this corner here, we're going to fold it down to this line and make a crease like so. And then once we've made this crease, we're going to fold this crease line here down to this vertical, horizontal line that we made. And so it should fold down and then meet up with that line, as you can see. Cool. And once we've done that, we want to repeat it on the other side. And then once we've done that, we're going to unfold it, and what we're going to do is a inside out reverse fold. So we're going to push this down, the straight line fold we made here, we're going to push this down within itself. And then as we do that, we're going to pull this part out so it's almost like a beak that's coming out, and fold it in half as we do so. So it should be something like that, and then you should get a little triangle poking out at the top, and the back here should look like this, almost like little wings. And then we're going to press down. After that, we want to fold this model, the bottom corner here, up to this corner. So we're going to fold it up and press down. And once we've done that, we are going to fold this flap back down upon itself, this side here to this edge. And press down, because now it's really thick. And then once we've done that, we want to open it out and open this fold up and squash down upon itself. So you want to put your fingers here, and following the lines, we're going to squash it down into like a kite here. And once we've done that, what we want to do is, following this crease, we're going to fold this back so it's on the other side of the model, and then squash the fold down. So now that you've squashed that down, you then want to open this up, and you see this little point sticking down here. We're going to fold it up, the little flap inside the model like this. It's a bit dark because of the shadow, but yeah, we're going to fold it up, and then we want to then flip the model back round. So here's how the front looks, and we're going to, these two bits are going to fold forward and tuck into this front here. And gonna press down on the sides as we slip it into that front pocket. Cool, so yeah, this is basically how the model looks. And at the back here, depending on what you do, you could get a stapler. I'm going to get some sellotape. If I'll break, and we're just gonna stick a piece down here along the middle, just a small piece just to hold the model together. However, before you do that, depending on whether you're using elastic, ribbon, or anything else, we're going to obviously want to wear this mask, so we want to put string or whatever, like I was mentioning, elastic through the two flaps we just folded forward. You can see there's like gaps here where you can insert the string, loop it in, and then yeah, the mask should be wearable. So I'm going to now do that. I'm going to be using some elastic and attaching it on. After some trouble trying to get the string the correct lengths on either side to fit around my face, the mask is done. So let's get rid of the other stuff around the side. So this is how the mask looks, which I think is really cool. To me it reminded me of like Transformers. It looks super cool, which I really love. And then I first like made a small version to just test out this model to see if it does work in like using paper. So this one's actually made of card, which is why it was like so hard to fold, but this one's made out of paper, which is just as sturdy, and I would probably recommend using paper over card because it's just so much easier to fold once you get to like the very layered section of this model. But yeah, this was really fun to fold, and I thought it was a really cool idea how she made a mask out of origami. Like, you can make lots of different stuff I've seen, but yeah, I thought it was a really cool idea, especially using paper towels, which like everyone can more or less get, compared to masks, which might be slightly harder now. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Fits on my face. It'll probably make markings because these edges are quite sharp, but yeah, you should try it out and have fun with it. Make it in different colors, you know, do whatever you want with it. So yeah, but yeah, I would recommend to make because it's just really fun, and I feel like this could be more of like a costume thing you could use for. Like I said, it reminds me of Transformers, and I think it looks really cool if you wear it as part of a costume. So yeah, this was my go at making the mask inspired by the video that I watched that I will link down below. And as usual, everyone, write a comment down below what you thought of this video, anything you want to recommend me. Like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other sorts of stuff I post. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!